Hello, Mr. Jang and everybody. My name is William, and today I will solve question 27 of page 340 in the textbook. But I need to change my clothes first because it's kind of messy right now. So just give me a second. Okay, here we go. So I know this question is not that hard, but it requires to use our English ability to understand and solve it. Also, this question is related to physics, object and mirror thing. Like the object, when you just stand in front of a mirror, you will see yourself, something like that. So you know. Okay, this is a question. An image found by a convex lens is described by the equation 1 over f equal u 1 over u plus 1 over v, where f is a focal length, which is the distance from the lens to the focus. U is the distance from the object to the lens, and v is the distance from the image to the lens. All distances are measured in centimeter. For part A, we use the mathematical ideas from this session to solve that 1 over f equal u plus v over u times v. For part P, what we need to find the value of f when u equal 80 and v equals 6.4. And the last part, which is part C, if you know that, like, we need to find the rational expression from f from the equation 1 over f equal u plus v over u times v.
Now I'm going to solve part A of this question. Part A is asking us to solve the question by using mathematical ideas. It gives the equation is 1 over f equal u plus v over u times v. And we already know that 1 over f equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. Therefore, 1 over f equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v equal to u plus v over u times v. And because of that, we can easily prove 1 over f equal to u plus v over u times v by using u1 over u plus 1 over v equal to u plus v over u times v. And apply the knowledge what we have learned in the previous chapter is adding rational expression. So now we need to prove this one. We need to prove 1 over u plus 1 over v equals to 1 plus v over u times v. So we separate each side as left hand right, which is left hand right, and right hand side. And we keep the right hand side the same because we want to prove these things. We want to prove the left side equal to the right side. See? Right? So, okay, cool. Let's begin. So we want to turn 1 over u plus 1 over v into u plus v over u times v. It's simple. We just need to reduce this fraction like this fraction. Reduce this fraction to a common denominator. This is the step to the common denominator, and boom, we have proven the problem. See, we have proven the problem. In conclusion, because 1 over u equal to u plus v over u times v, so 1 over f equal to u plus v u plus v over u times v, and 1 done. And for part B, the question tells us to find the value of f when u equals 80 and v equals 6.4. Firstly, we already have the equation, like 1 over f equal to u plus v over u times v. Therefore, we just need to replace u with 80 and v with 6.4. So we have 1 over f equal to 18 plus 6.4 over 18 times 6.4. Then we can separate f by take 1, divide to a plus 6.4 over 18 plus 6.4 over 18 times 6.4. Which is okay. Also, we can represent this as 18f equal to 18 times 6.4 over 80 times 6.4, which is this one. Because this is the situation of fraction dividing fraction. So we can solve it by taking the first fraction, which is this one, times the reverse of, we can solve it by taking the first fraction and multiplying it by the reverse of the second, which is the reverse of this fraction. Meaning that 1 over 18 plus 6.4 will times like that. 6.4 will times 18 times 6.4 over 1. After this step, the question eventually transforms to a simple calculation. Simple calculation. So we will have the answer is about 5.93 centimeters, which is this one. And for the last part, which is part C, the question asks us to find the rational expression for f in 1 over f equal to u plus v over u times v. As I mentioned above, this is the exactly situation in part B. If you don't get it, I will demonstrate it to you, don't worry. So we are now to find f. We must take 1, and divide to the right side, which we will have f equal to 1 over u plus v over u times v. See, this is catch the vibe. This one is exactly the same as the equation that we used to solve the part B question, which is this one. See, you got it? Like this is the situation of fraction dividing fraction. Like we can solve it by taking the first fraction and multiplying for the reverse of the second fraction, which is this one. Because of that, we know 1 over u plus v over u times v equal to 1 over u plus v times u times v over 1 equal to u times v over u plus v. Finally, we have found the expression for F, which is F equal to U times V over U plus V. Thank you for watching and listening